Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me, Nothing Phone 1, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google Family Link protection on this device. Firstly, you need to open Settings application, then scroll down and click Google. Choose Manage your Google account, then choose Data and Privacy, scroll down and choose Delete your Google account. Confirm your password, and click Next. Scroll down, choose I understand, scroll down again, click Yes, Yes, and choose Delete account, but not afraid, we will recover it in this video. So as you can see, all my blocked apps are unlocked now, and now I need to recover my Google account. So to recover Google account, click Play Store, click Sign In, and enter your mail. Click Next, you will see this message, account deleted. Click Next, and in account recovery screen you need to enter your password. Click Next, you will see this message. So not afraid, you need to log in into your account again. So enter your email again, click Next. Now we see just a simple sign-in screen, so just confirm your password, and click Next. I agree, accept, and cool. Google account was successfully recovered on my device, but Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.